Okay, good. That's a really good way to fix cuts. That's what we do in my house.
Well, first you clean up the cut. Well, this is the way, like, if it was a really bad cut, and then you kind of put this special type of glue on it, and then you sew it together.
Okay, you mentioned a lot of good ways to fix cuts. So one way we can do it is by sewing it up. Those are called stitches or sutures. Has anybody ever had stitches?
I've had some in my eyebrow.
But she's not going to tell